It's the day to celebrate the values of a special person, the one who is the reason behind the freedom of our nation, the one who taught the world the lesson of non-violence. It's our very own Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation. We have known him lovingly as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi needs no introduction. The story of his life has been transformed into the stuff of legends.
In fact, so well known is his unquestionable role in helping India achieve independence that there is a clear cut narrative in place which can be recited at any moment by any proud Indian.
This video then is not going to offer any introduction to the great soul. He doesn't need any. What we will share here is a list of some lesser known facts about the great man's life in the hope that we may remember him and his teachings better.
Gandhiji came from the Hindu Moth community and his father Karamchand was for some time the chief minister Diwan of a small princely state in colonial India, Porbandar, Gujarat.
While it is known that his birthday is celebrated in India on October 2nd every year as Gandhi Jayanti, it is lesser known that the same day is annually marked globally as the International Day of Non-Violence.
When Russian writer Leo Tolstoy wrote in 1908 a letter to a Hindu, Gandhiji was so impressed that he wrote to Tolstoy seeking to translate the same into his native language, Gujarati. The men corresponded throughout their lives.
He went to study law at the prestigious University College London. He studied Indian law and was trained to be a barrister at the Inner Temple. Gandhiji's philosophy did not just suddenly evolve when countering colonial rule in India. His past life, especially his days as a student in London, had a dramatic impact in shaping his ideology. This was most true for shaping his vegetarianism as a means not just of self-purification but as a political weapon. In this, he was influenced by the writings of Henry Salt. He even joined and was elected into the Vegetarian Society in his London days.
There has never been a more ardent activist of peace, yet, though nominated several times, he was never awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Indian classical narratives, such as the story of Shravanakumar and the truth teller Harishchandra, had a tremendous impact on the Mahatma's childhood, leading him to identify himself as a champion of truth. Not for nothing is his autobiography labeled My Experiment with Truth.
The first time that Gandhiji put to use his philosophy of Satyagraha was in 1906, when the South African government formulated a new racist act forcing Indian population to register itself. He urged Indians to defy the law and suffer punishment for doing so. His ideas most probably took shape and evolved during this struggle.
He was heavily influenced by the message in the Bhagavad Gita that the means or the end. It is for this that he once famously said, "My life is my message." There is thus so much one can learn from the message that is his life that it is difficult to put the same into words. If we take all that is the best of him and incorporate his teachings into our life, we would surely go very far.
One of the most famous of his teachings is about the 7 sins to avoid: wealth without work,
Pleasure without conscience,
knowledge without character,
commerce without morality,
science without humanity,
religion without sacrifice.
and politics without principle.
He taught us to be the change that we wish to see in the world, and he taught that where there is love, there is life. And he followed the path of ahimsa and non-violence to unite us all.
So, on Gandhi Jayanti, let's pay tribute to the Messiah of non-violence and take leadership in creating better policies in India to build together our great nation. Gandhi Jayanti wishes to one and all.